Hi, Robert. Thanks for coming today. As market director, we'd love to get your insights on a couple questions. You ready?
I'm ready. Thank you for having me.
So, sustainability is a growing priority in the automotive industry. How is McLaren integrating more eco-conscious innovations without affecting performance?
This is a very important question to the automotive industry, and it's one we've been working on for quite some time. Back in 2013, McLaren launched the Mighty P1, which was our first hybrid. But we didn't stop there. The Speedtail, which came after the P1, and then the more recent McLaren Artura Coupe, and the car we have behind us now, the Artura Spider, are all hybrid cars and demonstrations of McLaren moving forward with our innovation in a way that is more eco-friendly, eco-conscious, and supports better emissions out the tailpipe of our cars, whilst not compromising on the performance attributes we give our consumers in terms of lightweighting and agility and how the power is put on the road.
McLaren's latest release, the W1, has a staggering 1275 PS. Do you think you'll ever be able to top that?
Yeah, I'll just repeat what you said. It is a staggering 1275 PS. Yeah. This is industry-leading, benchmark-beating, best in the segment, phenomenal figure. We're very, very proud of the W1 and the attributes and the performance figures that that car is going to achieve. So where I can't talk about new product right now, what I can say is watch this space. McLaren is very well known for every car beating the benchmarks of the cars before it. So let's enjoy the W1 and let's see what happens.
The W1 has an incredible power-to-weight ratio of 911 PS per ton, once again making McLaren best in class for weight. How does McLaren achieve such lightness while packing so much power?
Yes, it's a very interesting question that takes us to the heart of what McLaren is all about. Lightweighting is at the forefront of everything that we do.
Yeah.
Our engineering philosophy, our whole mantra as a business is around lightweighting. From the carbon fiber chassis through to every inch on the car, everything is there for a reason. Nothing is on the car without a purpose.
Yeah.
That mindset results in the lightest car in segment and results in the power-to-weight ratio that is segment leading.
Could you elaborate on McLaren's philosophy when creating the ideal machine? How does your team achieve a balance between the power efficiency and sustainability in your engineering approach?
Yes, so it's a very simple process, probably very difficult to execute. We set very stringent targets for the program. We do all those targets at the beginning of the program, and we do not stop until they are all met. And that's what you see with the W1. It's the result of very tough targets set early on in the program, and we've not launched it until we've achieved those targets.
How does McLaren maintain the signature sound and feel in an era with stricter emissions and noise regulations?
Yes, it's true. Stricter noise regulations and restrictions are always being imposed on manufacturers year after year. They constantly change, but our brand is known for innovation.
Yeah.
Whether it's the use of carbon fiber, whether it's the use of advanced aerodynamic technologies, more hybridization in our platforms being segment leading, the innovation doesn't stop there. So when it comes to innovation, it's often stems from regulations. Regulations will then result in new innovative ways of channeling the sound internally and externally from the powertrain, from the gearbox, from other elements of the whole package, and provide the consumer with an experience that meets the product and as it should be. We have to work closely with some of our partners, such as Gulf Oil International. How the products work together and the different components, whether that's internal noise or auxiliary noise, we have to refine to make sure that we meet those regulations, but in a way that we don't compromise class-leading products.
Thank you. Thank you very much for all your insights. If there was one more thing you'd like to say, what would you like to say?
Thank you for having us, first of all, and thank you for the partnership and the continued collaboration that we have. We know that the guys back in the factories are working very hard, your side and our side, to make sure that ultimately our consumers end up with the best product for them.
That's for sure. Thanks.
Thank you very much.